Hi everybody, this is Maurice. Good morning, mayong buntag kaninyo tanan. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a bow tie for your pet dog. I have here an old shirt that my husband doesn't wear anymore, and I'm going to just get a piece from it and make a bow tie for my pet dog. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to use is the cuff of the sleeves. This one here, I'm going to cut this portion and use this part for the bow tie. Okay, I cut the cuff and I took those two buttons. See right there? There were some buttons on there. I took it out. Okay, so this one here is too big for my dog. I wanted it smaller, so I'm gonna make it smaller. So I'm gonna go this way. So that's 3.5. So then you're just gonna have to fold it. What you want to do is you have to use your glue gun and you fold and you glue this one here, the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. If you have this clip from your kitchen, you can use that to clip it. Okay? I'm going to use this side of the sleeves. I'm just gonna repurpose everything. So I'm gonna cut that so I don't have to sew. That'll be enough. So now if you find that one is too big, it's too wide, you can fold it this way and that way. Before you glue it, I want you to measure your dog's neck. You could either sew or glue, hot glue. Then you can hot glue this. So here it is. I just made a cute little bow tie for my pet dog Hank. It was so simple. So thank you so much for watching my video. If this is your first time to watch my video, I would recommend that you subscribe to my channel. It is my goal to give you tips and ideas on how to save money. If you like this video, please make a comment below. Please check my website at www.mariestupicart.com. Thank you.